Hi, I'm Jack Neal. I've been reviewing the Panasonic AS600 TV. My first impressions of the TV was I liked the stylish design and a nice display. I've tried the apps and the remote, and it seemed quite easy to use. The icons made it easy to flick through the menu and made it clear what you was going into. I put the TV through its paces. I liked the sound because it was crystal clear. The bass was real bassy, good quality sound on it. The picture quality was excellent. Colours were really bright and really crisp. The TV has a voice activated control that would make it easier just to turn off or go to an app. The only thing that would probably make the TV a little bit better would if it had a built-in hard drive. I think this TV would be a good TV to have. I would definitely recommend it to my friends.